Hello guys, nice to meet you. Today, I want to explain how to create a class in Python. You already know that Python is a programming language that supports object-oriented programming, and you want to know how to define classes in Python. In Python, classes are defined using the class keyword. If we want to define a class with the name rectangle, then we can write code like this. So I will type class rectangle def with and I type some spaces, double underscore, I need double underscore, from bracket, and I add self, more spaces, self dot length equals b, self dot width equals now def area one bracket, and I add self in one bracket. Return self dot length multiplication self dot width. Def, and this is operation for perimeter. Self return to multiplication self dot length plus self dot width, and so this is example, and now I will type obj rectangle bracket, and I add 8 and 6 in one bracket. So I will add some note. I will add a note that this is for making object. Now on the area from brackets is empty in one bracket, and I will add a note, and it's for calling area. Okay, you see the result is 48 in my screen. Now I type obj.perimeter. Perimeter from bracket, and is an empty bracket. Not here. It's for calling round brackets, and then the round brackets. Okay, the result is 28. The rectangle class defined in my screen has two attributes, or length and weight, and three methods, namely double underscore, init double underscore with round brackets, round brackets, perimeter round brackets. The double underscore, init double underscore round brackets method in the class serves to initialize or fill in the required initial values. This method will act as a constructor. In this example, the double underscore init double underscore round brackets method has three parameters, namely cell, p, and l. The first parameter, cell, is mandatory for every method defined in the class and does not need to be specified at the time of call. The meaning of self in Python is the same as is in Java and C++. To define or access the attributes of a class, you also need to use the self keyword. For example, the code on the screen defines two attributes in the rectangular class, namely length and width. The length attribute value is taken from the parameter p, and the width is taken from the parameter l. Thus, writing the code is done in the following way. You can see my pointer in screen, self.length equivalent p and self.width equivalent l. The way to create an object from the class we created is as follows. So you can see my pointer in the screen, obj equivalent rectangle, round brackets, and I added 8 and 6 in the round bracket. That line of code on the screen will create an object of the rectangular class. The value 8 will be copied to the length attribute, and the value 6 will be copied to the width attribute. Objects created in computer's memory are then designated by references or object variables. You can then call the method defined in the rectangular class via their object references as shown in the screenshot below for this example. What I mean in my screen, in below of my usage example. That's all from me and hopefully useful. See you in the next video. Thank you.